guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for being here. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do a smoky eye. So, I've already got my face makeup on, my bronzer, my lip, my foundation, and I haven't done mascara yet, and I haven't done, what else haven't I done? I haven't done my eyeshadow, obviously, and I think that's it. I just didn't feel like doing my brows today, so I'm just gonna pretend like they're done. Okay. So, first step is I'm gonna take, this is a Flawless Concealer brush by e.l.f. and that's what it looks like. It's just a really fluffy brush, and since I'm aimed at working with black today, I'm just gonna take some powder and I'm gonna pack it under my eye, okay? And my mirror's over here, so if you see me looking over here, that's why. So I'm just gonna pack, this is the Maybelline Master Fix by Face Beauty, like setting and perfecting powder, and I'm just gonna put this in my eye so that way when I have fallout I can just sweep it off. I'm just gonna pack it under there. So first gonna go in with the Rimmel London Magnieyes shadow. It's the eyeshadow contouring palette, and it's the shades Keep Calm and Wear Gold. Clearly I would have this one because I wear a lot of gold. We're gonna be working with the brown as like my first transition shade. So we're gonna go in with the brown first, which is this shade right here. I don't know if you can see that. I'm just going to go in there and we're going to put that all over the, by the way, I've already primed my eyelids and everything, so that's why. So we're just going to put this all over the lid. And these eyeshadows are really good for the, like, $7 that I got it. And next we're going to want to go in with like a more dark brown because, you know, this is a dark look. And I'm taking my Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to be using this shade, what shade is this? Central Park. It's this really like dark brown shade. I'm just going to take that same brush, this is a blending brush by e.l.f. and go with that same brush, tap off the excess, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner. That way we have somewhere to work with and you don't want to just go straight into black. And then obviously I'll go in and clean up the blending later. And then I want to do that same thing on the other side. Okay, so I have a fluffy brush. It's an eyeshadow brush. I don't really know what brand this is. It beats me. I've used it so much the thing has come off, so I don't know. And I'm just taking a clean brush to blend in that dark brown that I got. And next we're going to go in with the lid color. And this is the tricky part. So I'm going to go in with another e.l.f. blending brush that I have. It's the same one, but a different type. You know what I'm saying. And I think we'll go in with, first I'm going to go in with this like first color right here called Beam. It's this like silvery color right here. And I'm just going to put that all over the lid. And I just like using my finger for this part because it gives it more like that's a word. I doubt it. Putting that all over.
And also, you can stuff right here and just blend out the edge. If you don't want to add black, you could easily just stuff right here if you're not comfortable with black.
And then I'm going to go with the next color, which is in light, and it's this one, and this is what it looks like. Just another like shimmery, kind of white creamy shade. I'm going to focus that in the middle, because it is a little bit like more than the other one, so pack it on there. You're more than welcome to bring it in if you want. I personally don't. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe that off with my hand because you know I have a makeup wipe right here, but I'm using my hand instead. Okay, so next is the scary part, which is the black eyeshadow. Because that gets, sometimes blacks can explode all over your face and all that jazz, so you really just want to be careful. So I'm going in with this eyeshadow C brush by e.l.f. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to keep this handy because it's small and you want to work small when you have black. Trust me, I learned the hard way. So I'm going to take this shade. It's like a black shimmery shade. And I'm going to take just the tiniest bit of that. Tap off the excess, trust me. And then I'm just going to keep it kind of like I'm doing a liner. I'm just going to keep it right in here. And I'm going to blend.
You know my face is probably look ridiculous. The best part is, this doesn't even come up as a shimmer shade. It already comes up as like a matte black. And then, just leave it there until you're done.
And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And this time point, I'm just kind of perfecting it. And you know, going back in, blending it out. Because you don't want to have black eyeshadow everywhere. You really want to focus on your blending with this look, because one wrong move and it'll all go away. And you'll look crazy.
Sorry, like, I missed a spot with my lips today. It's so crazy. You literally blend into your finger. So you're blending away to nothing, like, literally. I'm just going to add more later. I'm going to add more now. First I'm going to deep it up with crease.
So, that's what it should look like so far. You're going to ignore this part right here because I was Alright, next I'm taking the black shadow in the Jaclyn Hill palette in the shade Abyss. Using that same thing, just very lightly tap it. Tap it off. And then I'm going to keep that very tight to my lashes. And if you want, you can deepen it up even more. Make sure you keep it on that outer corner. Alright, so then I'm going to go back in with that second color in light that we used. And I'm going to put that back on my lid. And since we did use a black over it, you probably have to go in pretty heavy. And I'm only doing half this time. Because it is going to come out kind of gray this time since there is black on top of it. Or up under it. Which is fine, which is what exactly I wanted. I took it a little past half, just so I could blend the two colors together with my finger. And I'm just mixing the two. That way there's no harsh line between the two. And then I am going to take that same blending brush and I'm just going to blend the crease some more. Since I did add that silver back. Alright. That, see how much pigment it just picks up, and it makes it look so much darker than it actually is. Alright guys, so that is my smoky eye look. I'm just going to sweep away that dust. So then I'm going to take that first color we used, Beam, and I'm going to stick that in my inner corners. And yeah. Alright, now I'm doing mascara to finish off the look, and this is the Essence Lash Princess. And this is what the wand looks like. I love it so much. And I never ever wear lashes because I hate them, because I don't really know how to wear them. But I've worn them in like maybe one video, maybe, I don't remember. But alright guys, that is my smoky eye tutorial. Pretty glam, smoky. And let me know if you guys want to see any more videos like this, like, you know, not bronze and gold, and do how that kind of video. I enjoy it, it's fun. It might be a little longer because I'm not as comfortable with it, but whatever. And I'm going to touch up my gloss. This is the e.l.f. lip gloss in the shade Natural. I'm obsessed with this stuff. I do have Kylie Cosmetics lip liner and Cocoa K under this. I mean, it is a tinted gloss, like you'll see. I'll show you guys. This is what it looks like. I mean, it's very pink, nude, blush, kind of corally type thing. I mean, I'm obsessed with this stuff. That is it from my tutorial on my smoky eye look, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know what you guys want to see next, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I love you guys. Bye.